Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are ya? How's it going? How's life? I'm back at it again with another look. What do you think? Do you like it? So I really wanted to create an eye look with red. I've been dying to use red for a really long time, but I never had the palette with the right tones and shades. That was until I ended up finding ColourPop Cosmetics. Hiya! Wow! Game changer, I can tell you that. It was super easy to do. I know I say that in every single freaking tutorial. But I hope that I can break it down for you guys and kind of make it easier step by step. I'm hoping that my videos are easy to follow. I ended up using 3 palettes today to create this eye look, and it was these guys here. I love ColourPop Cosmetics. I love their pigments. I love their color range. I love everything about the line. It's by far one of my favorites. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys really enjoy the look. Please give it a thumbs up.
I hope you guys truly enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, darlings.